Vision is one of our most vital senses, enabling us to navigate the world around us, enjoy experiences, and communicate effectively. However, factors such as age, diet, environmental influences, and lifestyle choices can significantly impact our eyesight. While regular eye checkups and proper eye care are essential for maintaining good vision, certain drinks can also support eye health and potentially improve vision. This article will explore the top 5 drinks that can help enhance your eyesight, delving into their nutritional benefits and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. 1. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is often hailed as one of the best drinks for eye health, and for good reason. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Nutritional benefits. Beta-carotene. This antioxidant is converted into vitamin A in the body, which helps maintain the health of the retina and improve night vision. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Carrots also contain these carotenoids, which are known to filter harmful blue light and protect the eyes from oxidative stress. How to incorporate carrot juice. Freshly squeezed. Make fresh carrot juice at home using a juicer or blender. Combine carrots with a bit of ginger or apple for added flavor. Smoothies. Add carrot juice to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed drink. Blend it with spinach, banana, and almond milk for a delicious and healthy option. Recipe for carrot juice. 4-5 medium-sized carrots, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger optional, 1 apple for sweetness optional, juice of half a lemon for extra vitamin C. Combine all ingredients in a juicer, strain if desired, and enjoy. 2. Green smoothies. Green smoothies have gained popularity for their health benefits, and they are an excellent choice for supporting eye health. These nutrient-dense drinks typically include leafy greens, fruits, and other healthy ingredients. Nutritional benefits. Leafy greens. Ingredients like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts. Fruits. Adding fruits such as bananas or berries provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall eye health. How to incorporate green smoothies. Daily breakfast. Start your day with a green smoothie for a nutrient boost. Blend your favorite greens with fruits and a source of healthy fats, such as avocado or nut butter, for a filling meal. Post-workout drink. Enjoy a green smoothie as a refreshing and energizing drink after your workout. Recipe for a green smoothie. 1 cup of spinach or kale, 1 ripe banana, 1-2 cup of frozen berries, blueberries or strawberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, 1 cup of almond milk or coconut water. Blend all ingredients until smooth, and enjoy the vibrant green goodness. 3. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are often referred to as a superfood, and their juice can be incredibly beneficial for eye health. Packed with antioxidants, blueberries can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Nutritional benefits. Antioxidants. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve circulation and may help reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Vitamin C and E. These vitamins play a role in eye health by protecting the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. How to incorporate blueberry juice. Fresh juice. Make your own blueberry juice by blending fresh or frozen blueberries with water. Strain if you prefer a smoother texture. Smoothies. Add blueberry juice to your smoothies for a pop of flavor and nutrients. Combine it with yogurt and spinach for a delicious treat. Recipe for blueberry juice. 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1-2 cups of water. Adjust for desired consistency. Sweetener, honey or maple syrup to taste optional. Blend the blueberries and water until smooth, strain if desired, and enjoy the refreshing juice. 4. Beet juice. Beet juice is not only vibrant in color but also packed with nutrients that can support eye health. Beets contain essential vitamins and minerals that promote good circulation and overall health. Nutritional benefits. Beta-carotene. Beets contain beta-carotene, which, like carrots, is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Nitrates. The nitrates present in beets can improve blood flow, which may benefit the eyes by enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery. How to incorporate beet juice. Detox drink. Start your day with a glass of beet juice mixed with lemon and ginger for a detoxifying beverage. Salad dressing. Use beet juice to create a vibrant salad dressing by mixing it with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs. Recipe for beet juice. 2 medium-sized beets, peeled and chopped. 1 apple for sweetness optional. 1-inch piece of ginger optional. Juice of 1 lemon. Juice all ingredients together and serve chilled. 5. Orange juice. Orange juice is not only refreshing but also a rich source of vitamin C, which is vital for eye health. Consuming vitamin C can help reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. Nutritional benefits. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, including eye health, and orange juice contributes to your daily fluid intake. How to incorporate orange juice. Freshly squeezed. Opt for freshly squeezed orange juice to maximize nutrient intake. Pair it with breakfast or enjoy it as a midday snack. Smoothie base. Use orange juice as a base for smoothies, combining it with other fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-packed drink. Recipe for fresh orange juice. 4 or 5 medium-sized oranges. Juice the oranges using a citrus juicer, strain if desired, and enjoy the refreshing taste. Conclusion. Maintaining good vision is essential for a high quality of life, and incorporating specific drinks into your diet can significantly support eye health. The top 5 drinks highlighted in this article: carrot juice, green smoothies, blueberry juice, beet juice, and orange juice are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to improved vision and overall eye health. In addition to these drinks, it is crucial to adopt a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Regular eye checkups, protecting your eyes from UV rays, managing health conditions, and avoiding smoking can further enhance your vision. Remember, while these drinks can support eye health, they should be part of a comprehensive approach to maintaining good vision. Consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to tailor your dietary choices to your individual health needs. By making informed choices and prioritizing eye health, you can enjoy clearer vision and a better quality of life for years to come.